up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I would film like a part 2 of the video I posted a few weeks ago, and it got a lot of good response. So I want to say thank you to you guys for watching that video, and I really enjoy doing like photo editing and playing around with like apps and like learning how they work and stuff like that. So today I kind of wanted to do a little bit more of an in-depth video on the app called Picsart. It is a editing app. You can use it for any type of photo editing, and like you can do it for your Instagram pictures, any type of pictures you want to do. So real quick before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And yeah, so okay, so whenever you are wanting to, I made a first video, and if you are wanting to learn how to make an aesthetic like iPhone home screen, be sure to go check out my first video. I kind of did a Christmas themed one. If you guys want any more ideas, I guess I could do other aesthetic ideas. I could do that if there would be an interest for that. Please let me know. But today I'm going to kind of go in depth and show you how to do like more editing on the Picsart app, and just kind of talk about the app itself and how to use the Picsart app to make app icons. I'm going to show you go more in depth on that today. So I'm going to go ahead and start the screen recording. So you just want to go over to your Picsart app, which I have it over here with this a little bit of group of, this is like what I use for my photo editing and stuff like that. So you want to go on into Picsart, and you can, I think you can pay for the app or just use the free version, which comes with the ads and all that fun stuff. So you just go down to the bottom, hit the plus button, and then you can add, you can do like videos, collages, all that fun stuff. And so I always just go all the way down to the bottom, and whenever you're doing like an app icon for your iOS 14, I just always scroll down. You can choose these colored backgrounds, or you can do the color picker to pick your own color, but I just always go with white most of the time. Sometimes I did red and green for my Christmas colors. So now you can then scroll down here at the bottom, and what I have always did is I go over to sticker. And in this, you can then search. So say you wanted to create an app icon for, say, Amazon or any of those like well-known kind of names. You can go in here and search, say, Amazon. And I always just do, wait, I cannot spell it. I always do like something, the word, and then logo. And so then the Amazon logos pop up, and since it's Christmas time, I would probably go with the red A. Blow that up, and it does, the image isn't perfect, so what you can do is then go up here to the erase button, and then you can erase parts of that image that is kind of it has like some other coloring in it, and you can kind of fix that. And it's always really good to blow up an image when you're trying to work on the fine touches of things. I've always found that really works for me. So then now you have an A that looks a little bit better. And then you just hit the check mark and you're done, and then hit apply. And then other things you can do to like create fun apps app icons, you can then go to the same sticker. You can type in like Christmas, let's say this one here. Let's do this one. It's really pretty. So then you will take this image, blow it up, and then completely erase the whole thing. And then what you'll go back and hit restore. And then basically then your brush is then acting as the background. So then you're basically just filling in everything. And I will do this unzoomed, like the big parts, and then you will zoom in to color everything else in. Okay, so then once you get done filling in everything, you can then decide if you think it looks good, but you can also go back in with the erase feature. And if you went in too close, kind of like here I did with this darkness, your eraser will then act as the other image, and you can then erase that part. So then once you think it looks, you know, pretty good, you can then hit the check mark and hit apply, and then now you have the Amazon with the like Starry Nights background. And then since it kind of looks like your background is like the sky, I'm gonna go ahead and back in the search box and type in Santa sled or something like that and see if we can find Santa. Like, here we go. Here's some good options. We're gonna go with this one. So since it looks like Santa's kind of like flying off into the air, I'm just going to put Santa kind of like he's taking off from the A. I'm going to undo that. I don't think I like the Santa idea. So a really cute one is you can do like Santa hat. I just did this with a few of my logos. You can then take the Santa hat, kind of make it fit the A, and it is just so cute. And then hit apply, done. So then there you have it. You have your Amazon background app, logo, whatever you want to call it. So then all you're going to do is hit next. You're going to hit save, then download photo, and it is saved to your photo. And that is a little bit more of a laid back version on how to design your app. You can pay for the Picsart app. I think it's like something, I don't know, like $5 or $6 a month. I feel like it's a little pricey. I honestly don't know. I didn't pay attention. But you can pay for the Picsart app and get some more custom features and stuff like that. Granted, maybe I might do that in the near future, but you can do a lot on that app for free. And you know, you can create your apps for your iOS 14. And if you guys need to know how to use the, it's called Shortcuts app, and that's how you create the custom app logos, like putting the picture on the logo of the app. Like I just showed you how to make the picture. You can refer back to my first video, or if you like for me to make more of an in-depth video on that as well, I can at another time. But as of today, I think that is going to be it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if this video is helpful, if going into more detail on how to create an picture for your app icons, if this helped any. Let me know. It was a lot of fun to create, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
So check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gadget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.